Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make media volume louder on Android. First, find the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone. Pressing the volume up button will usually bring up an on-screen slider. Drag this slider to the right to increase your media volume. For more detailed adjustments, you can also navigate to your device's main sound settings. To dive deeper, open your phone settings app and tap on Sound and Vibration or Sounds and Vibration. Here, you'll find separate sliders for media, ring, notification, and alarm volumes. Ensure your media volume is set to its maximum. Some devices also have a media volume limit option, which you might need to disable to achieve higher volumes. For an extra boost, you can enable developer options by tapping your build number 7 times in About Phone settings. Within developer options, look for Disable Absolute Volume and toggle it on, especially for Bluetooth devices, allowing independent volume control. Additionally, many third-party volume booster apps are available on the Play Store, which can amplify sound beyond default limits. If you're still experiencing low volume, ensure your Android operating system is up to date, as updates often include audio improvements. Also, carefully clean your phone's speaker grills to remove any dust or debris that might be muffling the sound. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary audio glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clear as your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.